The row over Ramji Lal Suman's alleged problematic statements against past Hindu Maharajas have rocked the Rajya Sabha today. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar today clarified that even as Ramji Lal Suman's controversial remarks were removed from the House proceedings, he still kept spreading similar statements elsewhere in media interviews. Meanwhile, leader of the opposition and Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge has said, and I quote, "I respect you all and no one here is a historian. However, a disputable comment by someone cannot be the basis of demolishing someone's house." Unquote. The controversy started when Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman had referred to 16th century Rajput king Rana Sanga as a traitor earlier this week. Angered by his words, right-wing group Karni Sena did a gherao of his residence in Agra, threatening to tear it down with bulldozers. After being stopped by the police, the group turned violent, allegedly leading to a lathi charge. ANI footage showed mobs raising saffron flags and chanting slogans. Cars were also vandalized, chairs were broken. Mr. Suman later defended his comments, stating it is a historical fact. In the parliament today, BJP demanded an apology from Suman, a public apology, leading to a heated uproar in the House, which was ultimately adjourned for 13 minutes. Bharatiya Janata Party members have also sought strict action against Mr. Suman for his controversial comments. In Rajya Sabha, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar addressed the turmoil, urging members to reflect on their actions after things got really heated. He said, and I quote, "There is always an occasion when we are carried away by emotion, but I wish to make it very clear sentiments of the people are very precious." Unquote. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju also condemned Mr. Suman's remarks, stating, quote, "Even if those words have been expunged from the records, they are still being circulated widely on social media and news platforms. How can anyone accept such remarks?" Unquote. He stressed that the tone and language used by Mr. Suman were completely unacceptable. As the proceedings resumed, BJP MPs began chanting slogans, and the issue of Mr. Suman's statement dominated the session largely. BJP member Dr. Radha Mohandas Agarwal declared that they would not back down until both Suman and Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge issued public apologies. Mr. Kharge in turn condemned the violence against Suman, arguing, quote, "It does not mean that we take law into our hands and indulge in violence at someone's house." Unquote. He also said that a Dalit man's house was being threatened. Later, Bharatiya Janata Party members accused Mr. Kharge of turning the issue into a caste-based debate. Rijiju condemned Kharge's remarks, linking the attack to caste, insisting that this was not a religious or caste-based case. Even though Karni Sena members have been protesting against Mr. Suman for insulting someone belonging to their caste as well as their lineage.